everyone. Believe me, I was standing at a very raw form, and had I not taken help of Devashish when he conducted the session last time, I was feeling lost. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं इतना कुछ देख रही हूँ, लोगों को सोशल मीडिया पर कर रहे हैं, कुछ कर रहे हैं, कैसे होगा? बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता, because without we having the presence on the social media platform, it is very very difficult for us to do anything kind of, I mean, we cannot deliver any value with the expertise that we are holding, and we are looking forward for a platform. We are looking for the audiences to come to us. There are steps. When it started, or abhi kitna kuch Devashish and team has delivered it to me. They've shown it to me. They keep showing in between, is it okay and everything, all from logo to color scheme to everything. Of course, my interventions are there कि ऐसा मुझे ये चीज ऐसा चाहिए and everything. But there's a complete dedication which Devashish and the team has been delivering it. And I remember last time, I think few days back, when Devashish sent a message to me that your Sarabjit, your website is up now. Just have a feel, and we just want you to have a feel. How does it look like? I mean, the whole time, and even after that till day, I'm just feeling so glad कि मेरा website बन गया है, you know. अभी उसमें बहुत कुछ बाकी है, पोस्ट करना है, सब कुछ करना है, थोड़ा मेरी तरफ से भी डिले हो रहा है because of certain reasons. But believe me, like एक होता है ना कि every single step I have seen them creating for me, I am gaining confidence in that context. कि okay, fine, yes, this will happen, this is required, this is what I see. I think this was day before yesterday when I spoke to one of the team members, Devashish, that my LinkedIn main profile, you know, if something can be done with that, because LinkedIn page तो business का create हो गया, but मेरा जो main profile है उसका कुछ करने का है ना, so it was done and I could see that. So that also makes every single thing is making an impact. Fine, of course, we'll have to start posting a lot of things, but then before we start posting, things are to be in a very systematic manner. So this is what he's been doing it. मैं अगर किसी और बाहर से भी कराती, which I was meeting some people, they were telling me, you'll have to pay us this, you'll have to get this done for us, this is what you need to give us. I mean, as many people, as many voices, this is what it was coming. So here I'm happy that from our own community, so we have an expert sitting with us. I think that's a blessing and a bliss for all of us to take help from him if we are really interested. I have been a person with 25 years of experience in the real world. It's just the lockdown took me to the in my job, it took me to the virtual platform, how to deliver things, how to work as an employee, you know, and how to deliver sessions, everything on Zoom and everything. Otherwise, lockdown se pehle to we were all offline. Fine. So from that, there's a shift. Having an idea and then going ahead with those platforms with concrete plan in our hands. So that's very very important. So step by step, things will move. I would really appreciate if you're interested. Believe me, I think Devashish knows about it. I have certain crises in my life, but still there's a innate desire in me and the urge, you know, that I cannot let my life go waste. Number one. Secondly, I cannot think of going my expertise and my experiences going waste if the platforms are changing now, you know. And even for the offline world, when I'm interacting with somebody else, yesterday I had an interview with a gentleman. He's the CEO of the company. For about 1.5 hours, he had conversations with me. He just asked me, Sarabjit ji, are you having some online presence? Imagine. So this is a US-based institute. So I was because I was confident, you know, because it's being created. So I told him, yes, my online presence, my website and everything is being created. Another few days, I'll be able to announce it to the world. Fine, because people can otherwise see my profile on LinkedIn. Fine. So this is what offline world is also expecting us कि हमारा कुछ online है. हमने ऑफलाइन सारा जिंदगी अभी तक जो काम किया है 20 साल 25 साल कितना भी साल किया है, तो उस हम एक वर्ल्ड इज एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम अस कि हमारा प्रेजेंस कहीं ऑनलाइन है व्हिच वी कैन रेफर टू. Even if we buy something else from somebody else, we simply ask them, do you have a website? Can I refer to your website? Because that's the credibility. So every single, whether it is a FB or it is Insta or it is LinkedIn or it is YouTube, everything is interconnected. And that synergizing is very, very important. I would really recommend, I'm not here to market it, but believe me, मैं दिल से देवाशीष का थैंक यू और ग्रेटिट्यूड से कर रही होती हूँ. और एवरी टीम मेंबर, व्हेन आई गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, बिकॉज somebody is working midnight, somebody is working till early morning, वो मैं सुबह उठ के देखती हूँ वो पोस्ट मुझे सुबह 4 बजे का आया हुआ है, because the team has been working on my agenda. So I feel like यार मैं तो ये सब कुछ सोच ही नहीं सकती हूँ, मैं ये क्रिएट भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ, because I cannot go and learn graphics now. I cannot go and learn copywriting kind of a thing for the social media in terms of creating this this designing part, this aesthetic part. I mean, there's so much, so it sucks your energy. So there is somebody from our own community, so why not to take advantage of that. Of course we'll have to pay, हमें किसी बाहर वाले को भी तो पे करना ही है ना. So why not to pay अपने घर के बंदे को, और वो भी घर का बंदा जो हमारे काम को जानता है, हमें जान रहा है और उसको इतना मालूम है कि मुझे करना क्या है, because he is also grown with a course, with that same course, so he knows कि हमको करना क्या है सब. Fine. So that's very, very important. So somebody who already knows about it, आपको, you're not giving work to someone who is blank, जिसको मालूम नहीं है कि NLP होता क्या है या उसको इंटीग्रेट कैसे करना है आपके प्रोग्राम के साथ. The website which has come up, I really liked the way it is designed. I showed it to 4-5 of people in my personal circle, and they really said, oh, it has really come up so well. Fine. And I mean, what else more? तो कुछ चेंजेस करना है अभी, बिकॉज वो मेरे एंड से डिले हो रहा है, बट दिस इज व्हाट इज माय. हाँ, तो प्लीज गो अहेड विद दैट अगर आप बहुत कंसर्न्ड हैं कि क्या करें और कैसे करें.